What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to your channel.
Oh,
So we're back with
Santino.
I don't know if you guys remember him from our Chuck E. Cheese.
This sun's farming.
The sun's bothering you?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
really hot out. We're picking cherries today.
It's hot and spicy out.
Okay, we're getting our buckets for our cherries. Oh wait, I don't even know if we told you. We're picking cherries today. Here, Santino, you want to hold a bucket?
a bucket. You should have brought your coach, baby.
It's really hot out.
This is my bucket.
We're gonna go get some churros. It's hot. Hi everyone, this is Baby. His name's David.
Say hi.
He's a baby. We call him Baby.
Look at his butt.
Oh, baby! Say hi. Oh. I don't know how long I can make it out here.
I got horses in my car like a farmer. Yeehaw, finna pick up your dog. He want beef, I'ma have to get him slaughtered. He want beef, I'ma have to get him slaughtered.
Look, Santino. Look.
This is my cherry.
No, they're up there. Oh no.
We can't eat them yet, okay?
It's not that good.
It's got a pit in it.
Oh my god. I don't know where my pit went. I'm scared that I swallowed it.
No.
I didn't take the pit out.
Get the cherry.
Gotta make sure he doesn't.
Get the cherry.
Yeah. Those are hackers, Mama. Come here, babe.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
How many cherries you got, Santino? Santino, how many cherries do you have? How many cherries do you have? Tell them.
I want. What? I have a lot. Oh my god.
Here's one right here.
How many cherries do you have, baby? Aww. Do you like cherry picking?
Yes. Baby said no.
Baby said no.
Yes.
Catch the cherry with the bucket. Woo!
You got it. I can't find any cherries. I'm in the Amazon. There's an Amazonian kangaroo.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's an Amazonian kangaroo.
It's a war kangaroo. It's been spotted. Oh my god, look how close I'm getting.
I'm sweating.
Santino, look.
There's an Amazonian kangaroo.
We found a war kangaroo. Santino, don't touch it.
Santino's ankle.
Look at it. It's a wild kangaroo. It's coming at you. That's Justine.
Actually, that's not great. That was not great.
Oh. Tell them. How do you like cherry picking? He don't like it.
These were nice. Let's do a dance in the cherry field.
I got horses in my car like a farmer. Yeehaw, finna pick up your dog. He want beef, I'ma have to get him slaughtered. He want beef, I'ma have to.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no, no, no.
Santino, dance party like this.
Jill! Hey. You look like a model.
But look at all these are your height.
Can I get red ones?
That's what a cherry is.
I'm getting itchy. The grass makes me itchy. Hey. It's hot in the Amazon.
a cherry.
It's really hot. We're stranded out here.
Ew,
Look at my shoes.
Oops, I'm zooming.
Yeah,
I meant
it's
to
really
zoom
bad.
in. Are you having fun?
Jada, can I put my phone here? I didn't think about grabbing the stroller.
They can't see you. You're too close up.
It's on his shoes. It's on everyone's shoes.
Yeah.
He kissed the camera.
Wait, Julia, you see one?
Do I see one?
Let's go. Get the cherry. Get the cherry.
Top tamale.
I mean, I guess it's
Eat it.
no.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it.
Okay. Don't throw it.
I ate like 5. Are you not supposed to eat it?
Oh, I see one. Two.
I've spotted the wild kangaroo again.
The wild kangaroo is in its natural habitat. It's eating rotten cherries off the tree. Oh my god, it's attacking! Run!
Santino, the wild kangaroo is attacking. Santino, we have to run.
The wild kangaroo. The kangaroo is coming! It's coming! Oh my god, it's right behind us! It's throwing berries! Run!
Okay, I think we lost it.
I think we're safe.
Oh, no, we're not.
It's spotted again. Running very fast. It's coming.
Get away, kangaroo.
It's running back to its home.
Oh. Get up!
Oh, now we're attacking the kangaroo?
Where did they get this kangaroo?
Why do these look like this?
I don't know.
I got on your new shirt.
Did you actually?
Yep.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, we did get it.
Oh.
Yes. Alright, give me it.
Wow.
Say, welcome back to my cherry field.
Say welcome.
Garfield.
Cherry field.
Garfield.
No, cherry field.
Target.
It's hot.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
You just threw a whole bark at me.
What's up, guys?
You hear that?
Watch out, guys. I'm baldy.
You're what?
I heard I'm bald.
I'll put this in your basket.
Okay.
How's your cherry picking experience going?
It's pretty fun. I've gotten a lot.
There's another strawberry for you.
Are you getting them off the ground?
It's a cherry.
Why don't we get them off the trees?
We're on the farm.
I'm hot, and there's cherry on my shirt. Okay, do you want to go? Alright, ready, Santino? No, I feel like we don't have a lot. It's fine, we don't need a lot. I don't think George has seen one.
That's a rock.
I'll throw it at you.
No. Rock hurt.
You cannot throw that.
I'll throw it in the grass.
Yes.
You have cherry all over your leg. You're turning into a cherry.
Just see, the poor lava.
The floor's lava, Justine. Santino, the floor's lava. Justine?
Ah!
The floor's lava.
The floor's lava. I don't know where there's no lava.
Somebody call 911.
We got probably 10 cherries.
The floor's lava.
The floor's lava.
I'm looking a little gnarly out here, but it's alright.
Can I see your bucket?
It's really hot. Let me go in the shade real quick. I'm in a tree.
Come on, Jill. Let's follow Justin. You're the kangaroo now.
I'm the kangaroo?
I don't know what that is. Oh my god. Santino, that's heavy. You got it? You got muscles? I don't know what that is.
These are all the chairs we got. It's kind of a lot, actually. Because these cherries were only $5. That's
I mean, we didn't get that much, but that's still cheap.
but that's like the amount of like a box at Target. I'm sweating.
Santino, how was your cherry experience?
Good.
How was your cherry experience?
My nose is broken.
Did you pick a lot of cherries?
My nose is crooked.
Shh, it's fine. Just in 1 second. Do you want to go get food?
Yeah.
Is Chick-fil-A good? Go get some chicken.
Oh yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna pass out back here.
Wait, there's air back there. You have control over it.
Jill shoved in the third seat. The kangaroo somehow got into the car.
But I can't go fast.
I'm getting chicken.
I think I'll get some nuggies. Top Somali, am I right? We're at chicken.
I'm gonna get some nugs. I'm gonna get 8-piece nugget meal with a strawberry passion tea lemonade as my drink.
I'm gonna get an 8-piece nugget meal with a Coke. I got cherry on my side. It's fine.
Trying to get it out of me.
I'm like giving it to him.
Santino, 12 nugs.
How's your Chick-fil-A?
I'm upset with my decision.
How's my hand?
Only got 8 nugs. I wish I got 12.
Want to try some milkshake?
Yeah, I want milkshake.
Take a sip. It's an interesting way to do it.
Yeah. No, chew your food and swallow it.
Baby wants Coke.
Be nice. Come on.
Oh my god.
Go home. Like, you don't have to go play.
Yay! Okay, we both have work, so we have to go home.
Yeah, we're kind of pressed for time now.
But I hope you liked it.
Thanks so much for watching.
Like and subscribe. Santino, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Love you guys.
Bye, Dad.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.